Good morning, folks. Welcome back for another adventure. So here we are. We've got Long Island Sound here, and I found myself my own little shipwreck, abandoned boat. I always watch the videos on these things, and I think they're interesting. Yeah, that's kind of stuck to it. Oops. I'm using an iPhone to videotape this. I had to borrow it. But it's pretty cool. I'm told this has been washed up during the winter. Oh, there's the I think that's for the sail, which is I'm not used to using this, so excuse me if I don't do a great job. Okay, let's take a look in the cabin. It looks like this thing at some point, though, it bunked just two. And there's the control panel on the wall. Am I showing it to you? There it is. There we go. I guess that's the hole in it. Oh, metal. Now, I don't know if this is part of the sail assembly. I mean, you guys could see the rudder's broken off. I mean, my guess this was tied up somewhere and it got loose and battered, and the owner put it in an insurance claim. You know, managed to get rid of the boat. But it is kind of cool. Now, the problem with if somebody wanted to fetch this out of here is, how do you get it off the beach, right? You're kind of surrounded by this rock wall here, right? You have to get permission from whoever owns this property, right? This is also low tide. If the water were up, you guys could see it kind of goes right up against the wall. So there would be a time you'd have to do it within a certain amount of time. I've been picking up some sea glass, you know, not as valuable as arrowheads, obviously, but pretty cool nonetheless. If I had my truck, I'd actually pick up that thing and bring it home, because that'd be pretty cool to put in a flower bed or something. I don't know, part of a ship or whatever. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed our ocean adventure. Remember to get out there each and every day, have fun, enjoy your life. You don't know how much you're going to get, so make sure you enjoy it all. Bye now.